Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I get to share about blockchain contents, show you how to navigate around certain projects, create and distribute value to the ecosystem, and get some moolah in return. So let's dive in. So this morning, I'm very excited, very pumped up, very energized to share about this amazing project that's, breaking the waves in the blockchain ecosystem, and that is Zetachain. Zetachain is the blockchain for a future, a multi-chain future. It's the only blockchain that is decentralized. You know, it's the only decentralized blockchain and smart contract platform built for omnichain interoperability. The challenge we've been having before this time about most of the projects that are built, irrespective of the chains, Ethereum, Bitcoin, EOS, Tron, and mention them. The problem has been, their ability to intra communicate with each other without any hitch. You know, that has actually been the challenge, and that's what Zetachain is actually coming to solve, right? Making it providing that enabling seamless environment for the respective blockchains to communicate within themselves, right? That's amazing. Okay. And one thing you would stand to benefit for any particular project is when you can spot out how you can contribute, especially when that project is just coming into the ecosystem. By that I mean testnet. Okay. So Zeta chain, for instance, like you can see on the charts here on their Twitter page. This is the official Twitter handle for Zetachain. And this post came on the 10th of August 2022. And it says, today marks the public launch of Zeta Labs. And it's the first native asset swap on testnets. There's no bridging, there's no wrapping of tokens. This is really, really amazing. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you how to get yourself signed up on the Zeta Labs platform and do some basic navigations, interactions, and get yourself free Zeta tokens. This is really amazing. Okay, and I'm gonna just take you through on how to do that. Okay, so let's go there. Right, this is my dashboard. Okay, the Zeta Labs dashboard, and like you can see here, I already have my wallet connected, right? And so far I have 62,000 ZP tokens. Okay, this is actually a measure of my progress as a member, and I can earn more by inviting people to come on this platform. Okay, so I'm going to share the link to this dashboard in this video I'm just doing now. Okay, so just check down below, you see this link. Okay, because you can only join using the link of someone that's already signed up. So I would appreciate if you use the link. Every other link I'm going to be using here, I'll share them in the video description, so it will be easier for you to just click and then you get yourself signed up. Okay, good. So when you come to the platform, right, you're going to connect to your MetaMask, right? Now, before you connect to a MetaMask, that's this proof of humanity interaction or protocol you need to do. By that I mean you would have to connect the account to your Twitter, and it's important that your Twitter should have been in existence at least for the last 1 month, for you to be able to successfully connect to this platform. It's more of an authentication process. They just want to be sure you're actually a human, interacting with this protocol. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to Twitter to authorize. Okay, once you do that, I think you're good to go. So once you do that, you now come back to the platform and it would connect like this, right? So all you have to do after you've done that, okay, you can now come to get Zeta. Okay, you see I am already verified. Like I've done that authentication I'm trying to explain to you now. Okay, So the next, you can see I'm already verified, showing my username. Okay, so this is a testnet protocol. That's why it's called Zeta Labs in the first place, giving you that opportunity to test run what they're actually doing. Right, you can contribute to the ecosystem. And one cool thing about doing contributions like this for early testnet project, it's when they eventually launch mainnet. Okay, this is an amazing airdrop, to start with. So I mean, you never can tell how much this would be. So imagine if this is equivalent. Let's say when they launch our mainnet, which is going to be very soon, I think a few months from now, right? I think, if I'm not mistaken, the second or third quarter of the year 2023, they should be live, right? So imagine if one of this token is $1, right? I don't really know the measurement procedures, but I'm just saying, okay? Please don't quote me. Also, just imagine this is just like one of the tokens is $1. That would be $1 times this. That's cool money. Okay. So for you to request for the token, okay, one easy way is I would love you guys to join. But if you do this, it would work, right? Request for assets, okay, it would work, right? But it might take some time, okay. But one easy way, to do that is I would really crave your indulgence to join the Zetachain Discord channel. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description also. So it's just going to be easy for you to do that. So just click on the link and then join. Okay, it's important as a part of the process to be eligible for this Zeta testnet airdrop. You must follow them on Twitter. Okay, so ensure you follow Zetachain, Zeta blockchain on Twitter, and then also join the Discord community. Okay, so once you join the Discord community, this is the Zeta uh, server. Okay, so click, it will take you direct if you join with the link, of course, and then get yourself verified. Okay, and then you see, look at it, Zeta full set, right? You click on it. Once you click on that, it will now bring you to this interface. You could see people have see today, right? Someone has already dropped address. So all you have to do is copy the address of that account you connected to, the MetaMask you connected to the Zeta Labs now. Copy that address and paste it here. Once you paste it here, within 5 minutes or so, you would now receive a few, I think about 5 Zeta or so, and that's for you to use for the transaction you're going to be doing. Okay, and then I would also encourage you, especially I want to believe most of you listening to this video from Nigeria. Okay, so we need you to be on the Nigerian platform as well. Okay, the Nigerian channel for this particular server. All right. So I would indulge you to, after you've done that interaction, just say hello to us in the Nigerian channel here, right? We would really love to interact, right? You're not just coming for the airdrop, right? Even if perhaps you just saw this and you're like, oh, let me try this, but we need you to be a part of the community also. There are a lot of amazing stuffs this platform is building, and it's really amazing. I'm in a privileged position to be getting some of this info, right? I'm a contributor for Zetachain to start with, so somehow I have a lot of cool info. You can see we had our first Zetachain meetup in Nigeria, okay, in Rio, and it was a success, right? So there are a lot of other amazing stuffs in line, right? I think plans for hackathons, a lot of amazing stuffs, right? So you can only get to know these things and how to benefit from it if you join the Discord channel and engage. All right. So after you've done that, okay, and you've gotten the Zeta token, right? You're saying successfully requested for 2, and I've already received, okay. Now you can come back here, okay, and then click on swap, right? You click on swap. Now when you click on swap, uh here is ensure you change your network, okay, to Polygon, right? Or this other you're seeing here, but Polygon is cool. And then change to this. Once you change to Polygon, I think it would automatically sync to Goalie, okay. And then you click here, select Zeta. Look at it. I've done interaction before now, right? Okay, so you click on Zeta, and then you type the amounts. Let's type 2, okay. Before you complete it, you go this part you're saying to receive, you click on network, and then let's choose BSC testnet. You click on select token. Let me click on Zeta again. No, let me not use Zeta. Okay, so this means it is still okay if I use Zeta. I'm swapping Zeta from the Guli chain to the BSC chain. Now the values differs, right? Because these are not real tokens, okay? It's just a testnet token, so don't expect to see 2 here and 2 here, okay? Like they're not really the same in terms of value, but that's not a problem, okay? It's just testnets. So you click on review. I'm asking allow Zeta transfer. Okay, click on it, allow. And of course, it's going to ask for authentication, right? So we're waiting to approve in MetaMask. Once the notification button comes up, you approve it and you're good to go, right? So if you do that, let me give permission, confirm, you're good to go, right? So you've successfully done a transaction on the Zeta Labs protocol. Okay. Now, one amazing part is apart once you sign up, okay, using that link I shared with you, okay, automatically you will be receiving 5,000 ZP tokens. That's cool, right? Okay, so I've confirmed. I have to click on swap now. This is the final confirmation, I suppose. So once you sign up with that link, automatically you get 5,000 ZP tokens, right? And then you notice I told you you would only join using an already existing link, right, from someone that's already in the platform. Okay, so if your friends want to come into the platform as well to do these basic transactions that you've done, they also need a link. So you can share your own link with them, right? I'll show you how to get your own link also. It's optional, right? But it's a cool way to make more money also by referring others, right? So once they get your own link, this is the final confirmation process, by the way. You see, I've just received 1,000 points for the transaction I just did now. Okay, so what I was saying is once you share your link with them and then they sign up, okay, um authenticating using their Twitter, once they do that, you get extra 5,000 tokens as well. So for each person that signs up using your link, you're getting 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Is that not amazing? It is. It's really cool. So you see why I was excited when I started, right? It's a cool way of contributing to the ecosystem, right? By sharing with others also. And then now, after they've joined, okay, and they've signed up and you've gotten the 1,000 ZP tokens, if they do a swap, like I'm just showing you now, you get another 250 ZT tokens. This is really amazing. Okay, so the more persons that signs up using your link, the more 5,000 you'll be getting, right? Like you can see now, right? I got this because first every day I do swaps, right? You can only do swap once a day. Okay, so tomorrow I'll do another one. I'll get another 1,000 again. Then I do it every day, right? To be earning more points. Look at it. You can see I've gotten 70,000, 77,000 so far. I've done 3 transactions now, and then I have 11 confirmed invitees, right? So if they've not authenticated using Twitter, of course, it will not be confirmed. It will not be verified, and it may not count for you. Okay, so ensure they get verified. So to get your referral link, right, you click on that N data points, and then you come here and click on copy. So this is the link you share with whomsoever you want to share with, for them to be able to do this as well. All right. So if you've enjoyed this, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. Okay. Now, when you subscribe, it would help you see. You'll be the first person to see any videos like this that I create. Okay. And then also turn up your notification button as a way of saying thank you. Right. Share this link with your friends and loved ones. Right. Let's make profits. Let's contribute value to the ecosystem. Thank you.